Strava is marketed as the ultimate fitness tracking app for runners, cyclists, and outdoor athletes, offering GPS tracking and training insights. But a real question is Strava still worth using in 2026, or has it become too expensive and crowded? Now, to be fair, Strava remains one of the most popular fitness apps in the world. Millions of athletes use it to track workouts, analyze performance, and connect with other active people. What it does well: excellent activity tracking. Strava makes it easy to record runs, rides, walks, hikes, and many other activities. Strong social community. This is one of Strava's biggest strengths. The social feed, kudos system, and clubs help keep users motivated. Where the hype falls apart, many of the best features require a subscription. This is the biggest issue. Features that were once free are increasingly locked behind a premium plan. The free version is more limited than before. Casual users may find less value than they did a few years ago. The social feed can feel overwhelming. As networks grow, some users find the experience more focused on sharing than training. So, is Strava still worth using? Short answer: yes, for most runners and cyclists. The free version remains useful, and the social community is still one of the best in fitness tracking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.